Is there anybody who came down to UAE just thinking that it's 50 degrees Celsius, there is a lot of deserts, I will enjoy desert, and 50 degree I will be under sun? Did anybody had that intention when you took the flight to come UAE? No. We all came down here to one intention, one purpose, to change our life. This is the whole purpose of expats coming to a country like UAE. We are here not to just have fun, just to have fight, just to say politics, just to interact here. No. Here in UAE, you also know there is no politics here. Nobody have time to talk about politics. Why? Because even the governments know that people come here for only one purpose, to change their life. And they give enough opportunities for us to change our life. A lot of time, I know people from my town, they used to come here with a goal of 5 years. I have to go UAE, 5 years, I make money, then I'll go back home. And this guy is now 35 years. Still here. India, I don't know how far it happens in the other countries, but in India, in my town, my people, they all come here for 5 years, but they end up in living some 30, 40 years. I know there is one reason behind that. I always quote that, because you know why? Every other year, there will be more demand from our back home. The supply will never end. Demand is very high. Because you know what? In back home, there is what? Marriage, reception, housewarming, celebration, Onam, this, that. And the whole family depends on whom? As we expats. And they expect us a lot. They expect the badam and pista, right? You go back to your country without badam and pista, one day I am sure you'll be pissed off. It doesn't happen to someone who is living in US or UK. But if you come to Gulf, you have to have that, perfumes, you have to bring those. So expectation is so high. People expect us on a very high scale. And the market is very volatile. We come here for a short period, thinking and having an objective to change life. The question is that, are we really changing our life or not?